Life is about having some fun. Get out there, enjoy life, whatever it takes. Sometimes it is the right car. This is it. Once you drive this car, it's like being an extension of yourself. It's so easy to drive. This is a full custom build. Now, what I mean by that is the original 2.5 liter inline six has been built. All the headwork has been done, all the valves have been done. It is way, way beyond the 125 horsepower that it originally had. It is running the race setup. Get this. How about the tri-power Hitachi SU carburetors? It is gorgeous. You should see how they set up the radiator and the shroud. Even running MONZA exhaust. It sounds wonderful. This car is like a go-kart on steroids. It is so much fun to drive. It's quick. It goes through the gears effortlessly. This is truly one of those cars you have to see and drive to believe. Now, here's a couple of things for you to think about. You ever done a hill climb? They are so much fun. It is a timed event. You go up the hill by yourself. It snakes up the hill. You usually have a straightaway at the top, and it's a timed event. This is it. You'll blow away the competition. How about road courses? Washington has a beautiful road course. Get out there on the track, have a great time. This is one of those driving cars. Look at the wheels. These are original wheels restored. Once you start looking at this car, you are going to be in love. It has all black leather on the inside. Take very close attention to all the woodwork that's been done. And it's in black. You are not going to find another black one. Why? Because this was an original red car. It has been redone in black and it is beautiful. I know you're going to have tons of questions, but let's get to the business side of everything. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We are located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Our website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's get to this video. I told you, this has got to be one of the finest examples of a 74 Triumph T6 available anywhere. Custom paint, custom engine work, all the woodwork that's been done on the interior. You are simply not going to find a nicer Triumph anywhere. It is done. All the wiring. There is no rust in the pans at all in this car. Your body is clean. It has been maintained its entire life. The soft top is the original top with the car. Look at it. It looks new. It's incredible, the condition of this car. All right, enough said. You can tell I'm excited about this car. Let's get to the business side so that we can all go. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. I'm located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Thank you again, and I will see you at our next video.